why am I on the floor? Because today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the 18-inch Bicolor style, and it's the Neewer brand, Neewer. So there. I started my YouTube channel like 8 months ago, and so far I have been using this for lighting. This little ghetto lamp. So I decided to try this Neewer light, and it's different than the one that comes with the panels that you can attach on. Okay, so let's get started. So this box is really big. I'm a little weakling. I do yoga, but I need to work on my strength. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna get a hernia. It's not that heavy, I'm just being dramatic. Okay, so here it is. It comes in a little thingamajig you can pick up. Let me open it. Comes with this little kit here, and then this is probably the stand. Let's see. I don't know what this thing in the center does. I don't see any instructions. So there's instructions for the light, but there's no instructions for the stand. I don't really get how to use the stand. Like, I don't think it goes this way. So this is really light. Probably made in China. The instructions are in English and in Chinese and in French and a few other ones. So I have this and a stand that I don't know how to assemble. So let's see if I can figure out this stand. It's in here. I just sat on it. Yep, so it does bring the phone thing. It feels, this little part feels cheap. Doesn't feel very sturdy, but it is what it is. Okay, I still don't know what to do with this stand. It has a thingy thing in the middle. I'm assuming I attached the light up here. This really should bring instructions for the stand. I don't understand what this, I mean, a tripod is like 3 legs. I don't understand what this 4th leg is for. I'm really confused right now. Oh. I feel so dumb right now. Well, now you know. Now you know. You just flip the legs. Flip them. The light's really high. I almost dropped it. Don't do what I'm doing. It's not going in easy. That's what she said. I don't know if I'm supposed to put something else in here or what. This is a lot more confusing. I saw a guy do his little opening on the one that has the things that you stick on, and his one a lot smoother. But anyways, it has like little knobs here where you can control the warmth of it. Okay, so this is as bright as it goes. That's as bright as it goes, and I can't see it. This is as white as it gets and as orange as it gets. So I don't think that the warm color is as warm as I wanted it. Like the one that has the panels that you can put on, I feel like those have more orange color. So I'm torn. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one or if I'm gonna return it and try the one with the orange panels. The one with the orange panels is actually cheaper than this one. This was $100 on Amazon. I don't know. So yeah, I do a lot of recording also on my computer, so I'll have to check out. Oh, and the other thing I didn't like about this is the fact that I had to, the thing to open, to hold the iPhone, I have an OtterBox case, and I had to take the case off in order to hold the phone because it wouldn't fit in there with it. So it doesn't expand as much. Well, thank you for watching this box opening.